How to export your project on VSDC Editor. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily export your project on VSDC Editor. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up the project that you want to export on the VSDC. And once you have done that, as you can see, I have this project right here that I want to export. Then what you can do is simply just go ahead and click on the export project option right here at the top. And you can export it to different platforms. So if you want to export it to web, you can do this. If it's for YouTube, for Instagram or Facebook, X, and any of these websites, then you can choose for those specific websites. And if it's for iPhone or iPad, you can do that as well. So if it's for Android, you choose this. And once you are done, you can just simply go ahead and choose on to export the video. So I'm just going to simply choose my PC version, and if you want to see the preview of the video, you can play it right here. And once that is done, you can now go ahead and click on this change name. You can rename your file and select your destination, then click on save. Now if it says it already exists, then you can rename the video and then export it again. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Now the export process will start.